So we are live, and currently I am doing the CME Trading Challenge, and taking my first trade here. I was looking for support around that 45.4 here on GC, which is gold. Um, Thought we'd see a bit of a bounce off there. Got in a bit of a pullback. Prices are still selling, so may have to close this here for a loss. Essentially was looking for a bounce at a 45.4 all the way up towards that 57.7. Do have CPI due this week as a fundamental catalyst. The thing about the CME Trading Challenge here, this one is the commodities, is you have very good traders. Of course, you have to look at the eligibility criteria. They do have cash prizes, but you do have to look at the eligibility criteria because you may not qualify depending on the region you're in. But I'm not trading it for the prizes. I'm just trading it in terms of my rank against other traders. Based on what I saw earlier, there's about 3,000 traders registered. Top of the leaderboard, we've got traders that have over 21k so far. So you have some very good traders, considering the challenge started at about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 12th, Sunday the 12th. To accumulate that much P&L with a 10 contract limit is very good. So I've got in here, as you can see, it would be a bit against the trend from Friday. We did see prices stall out a bit and start to pull in, but did see come down towards this level, that 45.4. I started to see buying, thought we would see that move up towards that 57.7. Not quite seen at the moment. It's about 48 seconds left, and if this candle closes where I think it will, I'm going to have to get out as per my rules. I have a 5-minute strategy when I'm trading these trading challenges here on the CME. So this very first trade is likely going to be a loser, losing about 2 or so points, 2 or 3 points. 20 seconds to go for the close of the candle. Even though buyers are coming back in, I have to follow my rules. 4 seconds to go. I'm just going to flatten the position. Realize that loss right there. So as we can see, I've lost about 2 points there. Used 8 contracts on gold. Lost about 2 points. So we are looking around that 45.4 level, but how the chart set up didn't quite set up the way I wanted it to. So starting down a little bit here on the challenge. Commodities are my worst instrument. I'm a much better equities trader, but I thought it'd be an interesting challenge to take. So you can trade metals, energy, agriculture. Of course, you've got micros. So we've got agriculture, energy, we've got WTI, Brent, we've got gasoline, natural gas. So you do have a fairly wide spectrum of commodities. This isn't, you can actually hold the positions over multiple days. So it is possible to swing trade on this challenge. I think the challenge goes on until about 5 days, so it will be closing on Friday. Normally the challenges here, the CME challenges last about a week. But It's good because everybody has the same limited amount of contracts. Everybody's, as far as I'm aware, executing through the platform. So I suppose there isn't any room for shenanigans. I think it's pretty good, but like I said, commodities are my the least successful as a trader trading commodities. Goals for this challenge, definitely be looking 3,000 participants. Not everyone's probably going to trade. Active participants, maybe 2,000. If I place within the top, let's see. It is CPI week, so there is going to be a bit of volatility. I'd say if I place within the top, well, if it's 2,000, don't anticipate myself finishing within the top 10. So if we say top 25%, looking at a top 500 finish, ideally be looking for I'd feel really good if I finish within the top 250. But anywhere between 250 and 500, I'll be somewhat pleased with, especially if I do accumulate. What I'm thinking here is whether I should just short it towards a gap fill. Based on the strength of this market. Problem is I'd be shorting through the 45.4. That's the issue I'll have here. Shorting through the 45.4. We've had the market gap down on Sunday. We've had this follow through. Market's currently down 1.23%, $29.1. We've got VIX that has gone up, elevated. An elevated VIX, maybe we would have thought comms would rise. We've got bonds going up. Interesting. Again, I'm looking for a long. I'm going to stick with my bias and look for a long. There is a gap fill all the way down at around $40. So there is definitely still some room to the downside. Down at the $40. A bit of an on-field gap. But I'm just going to follow my rules a little bit here. Price came down, seemed to be holding at 45.4. Got a counter signal, exited for a loss. Nothing to be too concerned about. Still going to wait here, see if I can get a setup to the long side. I do have other things to think about as well, because we'll be equity trading. Considering how prices have developed, it's certainly, prices trending down, it's certainly tempting to think about this pullback being a pullback before continuation down. Certainly thinking about it for a potential short. But a 45.4. Has been a fairly strong level in the past. So we'll just leave it for now. We'll just leave it for now with this CME trading challenge, the commodities challenge here on the 13th of May 2024. So if you do get a counter signal, I'll probably get back in and record a video. Won't be doing this live. I've got other things to be doing in regards to equities. So we'll end this video here for now, a bit of a short video, and we'll see how I progress through this challenge. Thanks for watching.